Journey Through Coffee's History, Part 1. The Legend of Coffee, Origins Explained.
The journey of coffee is truly remarkable. It all started in the vibrant green forests of Ethiopia, where a curious goat herder named Khaled stumbled upon the energizing magic of coffee beans. Picture his astonishment as he watched his goats leap and frolic joyfully after nibbling on those shiny red berries. This delightful discovery ignited a passion that inspired local monks to transform the berries into a soothing drink, helping them endure long hours of prayer. As coffee made its way to the Arab world, it became an essential part of social life. Coffee houses, known as khaneh, sprang up, buzzing with lively conversations and bursts of creativity. People gathered in these colorful spaces, sipping rich, aromatic coffee while engaging in discussions ranging from politics to poetry, weaving a vibrant cultural tapestry. By the 17th century, coffee made a grand entrance into Europe, enchanting thinkers and the upper class. These coffee houses, often referred to as penny universities, became places where ideas flowed as freely as the steaming coffee. Despite facing some initial resistance, coffee firmly established itself as a cherished drink. Today, coffee culture flourishes, highlighting artisanal roasters and innovative brewing techniques. Each cup of coffee carries a rich story, linking us to a legacy of tradition and community. So, the next time you enjoy your coffee, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it undertook to arrive in your hands.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.